Today we're taking a look at a 15-ton swivel type pintle hook. This 15-ton swivel type pintle hook is both a spring cushion and swivel action to reduce stress on towing mechanisms and to allow for off-road and uneven terrain towing. The spring on the unit reduces stress upon acceleration, and then the swivel action of the system allows for travel over rough terrain. So it's a really nice design. It's a very unique product. It's ideal for construction and utility equipment, military equipment, and highway construction towing purposes for loads up to 30,000 pounds. Now for off-road use, the load should be reduced by 25%. It is designed to accept or work with a Linette ring that has an inner diameter of 2 3/8 to 3 inches and a section diameter of 1 1/4 to 1 5/8 inches. The unit itself is constructed of strong forged steel construction. It does feature a really nice powder-coated finish to protect the unit from rust and corrosion. And it offers an easy maintenance design. It has the 2 grease zerks right here, so you can attach a grease gun, pump in the grease, and lubricate the moving components. It is designed to mount to a structure of sufficient strength to support the rated capacity of the pintle hook in accordance with SAE J849B. The mounting structure actually goes between these brackets, or these flanges. So these flanges, once you have the unit disassembled, will actually separate. Mounting structure goes between the flanges and should measure 3/4 of an inch or 5/8 of an inch thick. The unit does come with detailed installation instructions. So if I can get this to balance, I will show you those real quick. So on the back side, it has detailed diagrams of how the unit basically disassembles. You can see down here how those flanges separate. Mounting structure goes between those. It goes over all the detailed measurements right here, all the specs that you need to know. On the front, it has step-by-step installation procedures to get the unit installed for your application. Now it is designed to install using 6 grade 8 bolts, which are not included, so those need to be provided separately. The maximum gross trailer weight capacity for this unit is 30,000 pounds. Maximum tongue weight capacity is 6,000 pounds, and it's very easy to operate. So you'll notice right here it has a pin and clip that secures the latch, so you can remove that. And then to open it up to connect to a Linette ring, all you need to do is basically pull this mechanism right here and lift up on the unit. That allows you to connect to your Linette ring, and then all you got to do is push it down to engage it and then reinstall your pin and clip. Now the pin and clip is held onto the unit with a chain, so that way you don't have to worry about misplacing it or losing it. And again, we are looking at a nice, durable, forged steel construction with black powder coating to resist rust and corrosion. A few other measurements I want to go over with you real quick. You'll notice here on the flange we have 3 mount holes per side. So from outer edge to outer edge of the flange, so the overall length of the bracket, it measures about 9.5 inches. From the top of the bracket to the bottom of the bracket is about 3.5 inches. This set and this set of holes are separated on center, side to side, by 4.5 inches. Up and down, they're separated on center by 2 inches. This hole is separated from this hole on center by 8 inches. I also took a measurement from the back of the flange. So as the unit sits right now, from the back of this flange to the very end of the unit, that gives us a measurement of just over 9 inches, maybe 9 1/4. And then I also took a measurement from the front of this flange to the front of the unit and got a measurement of about 8 inches. That's going to do it for today's look at the 15-ton swivel type pintle hook.